Hey friends, let me ask you something. Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, why does my skin look so dull? Or why are my lips always so dry no matter what I do? If yes, then trust me, you're not alone. I went through the exact same thing. Back in school, my skin and lips were totally fine. You know how as kids, we naturally have healthy skin? But once I entered high school, things started changing. My skin became rough, my lips got dry, and honestly, I just ignored it. My whole focus was on studies, and my diet wasn't good either, which was a big mistake. To make things worse, I always sat by the bus window, so all that dust and pollution damaged my skin even more. Winters were the worst because my lips would literally crack. And yes, people around me noticed. Classmates and even guests would make comments that really hurt my confidence. At that time, I didn't realize that confidence also comes from looking and feeling good about yourself. On top of that, my pocket money wasn't enough for skincare. One friend suggested lip balm, but I ended up using my sister's lipstick instead because I didn't even know the difference. Later, my sister explained that lipstick could actually make my lips darker. The real turning point came when I visited a friend's house and her grandmother shared some simple, homemade remedies with me. I tried them and slowly, my skin and lips started improving. And that's what I'll be sharing with you today. So now, let's get into the fun part, the hacks that completely changed my lip care routine. The first time I crushed some pomegranate seeds with milk and applied it, my lips had this natural rosy tint. So cute. Aloe Vera Gel at night is another favorite. You wake up with the softest lips ever. One hack that sounded super weird at first was putting a drop of ghee in the belly button, but it actually keeps lips hydrated from the inside. My absolute go-to? Beetroot mixed with aloe vera gel. It works like a natural lip tint and keeps them moisturized. When my lips feel extra dry, I grab a cold cucumber slice from the fridge and rub it on. Instant hydration. Cardamom oil feels so soothing, while licorice with rose water helps even out the lip color. I also love dabbing coconut water with a cotton pad. It feels so refreshing. And at night, almond oil with just one drop of lemon. It actually fades pigmentation over time. Oh, and my lazy girl hacked a chilled green tea bag on the lips. It heals cracks and feels so calming. These little hacks have honestly upgraded my lip care routine so much. They're natural, easy, and trust me, the results are worth it. So, you guys have to try them out and let me know in the comments which one becomes your favorite. And I linked everything down below, so click, check them out if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like it and subscribe because I'll be sharing more simple, natural hacks like these.